The Transformers, more than meets the eye.
Hey guys, here, Sauce Prime, 24 Studios. We are back with another episode today. Let's get into this. Got the seal. And then we will open it up and see who's inside. Aha. Generations exhaust. There's Wheeljack with exhaust. Got his one little instruction booklet. Basically the same transformation Wheeljack. You should obviously know. Let's just close that. That's out for use. Cut the strings first on his left, which we're going to care about. So that we got him on the box. It's right there. Exhaust. Here he is. He's got his mercenary logo. So apparently this is a new faction by Hasbro where basically mercenaries are going to work with Double Dealer and other bots like the Quintessons and the Alicons. So I guess he commands Alicons, I guess. One was again Alicon, or two. Only two, maybe two, because they're kind of like the little soldier group. So probably only get two of those. They're not easy, hard to find. So depending on how the case is packed, they're probably gonna be four. Everybody's gonna be two to the case, hopefully, but we don't even know yet. We don't know that Airwave and everybody else looks like package. According to this, his legs can move, because I had an issue with that with my Wheeljack months ago where I tried to move this and his legs could not move. So I just had to make sure that was not an issue here. So that's good. Okay, so his hips can move. They're not locked into position like they were, unfortunately, on my first Wheeljack, but I got a Target months ago. You remember that episode? Yes, there's some logos on here, but originally they came out of the mass years ago that had the exhaust information. Well, not exhaust, but had Marlboro cigarette brand, but that's not there. But it really doesn't matter now with him. But this is a repaint. Well, this is our initially before getting Sunstreaker and Run Amok in the next two waves that are going to be basically retools of Wheeljack. So this is basically what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 uses of the Wheeljack mold already now within Earthrise. So if you count that. So we're going to turn this fist. What's the point, too? Because I already got this. But I got him right because I never had the character before. And he seems cool. So first off, we'll move the legs up. Push the windshield into place, well, the front of the leg, just like that. Rotate the leg out, push the little windshield up, like that, and then bring the legs together, just like so. Just like that. What's it called? Charles Emanuele could say, these don't align right, because that's perfectly fine. I'm sure he probably didn't, push them into correct position, so I'm sure the lazy dude who probably reviewed them did prior didn't want to push them into position correctly, but they work fine. So that's interesting how I just noticed that his chest and his waist are not fully one, so you can literally do that. Because I remember on the other wheel, or the Wheeljack, that if his chest is all the way down, he can't really rotate his waist. But I guess that's different on this design, unless maybe his waist wasn't meant to rotate before. But I don't know. I'll have to look at that transformation style. So we'll bring the windshield into position over his front of his vehicle form. I'm going to get replayables coming in a couple days, so once that happens, I will put him with the twin symbol over there, and he will go with the rest of the crew. Everybody on the shelf, you can see the reflectors. If I line it up, I got the reflector 1, 2, 3, and then I got scrap face. he'll probably end up being aligned with Lockdown and Terror Dive, and Jax is the Russian arms dealer. Again. And then there is Exhaust in his vehicle form. Is that the Dragon? These are kind of Hasbro symbols, but they are made into sticker format by Toy Hacks Weevil labels. So there's that. These have mini symbols, so I'm going to put a mini symbol on his area. Actually, I could put it for the headlights. That should be cool. Put one over the headlight, so he has like one right there. And he has 3 little symbols. He's got one for a remote, and he has 2 for his feet to make his headlights. He will go right into position. There we go. Wait for it. Wait for it. There we go. He'll stand with Lockdown and my blue Subway from Power of the Primes, the 2 blue car guy. Makes Autobot and Decepticon. Does that. Grease Bit. See you next time. Transform and roll.
Roll out! Transform!